Hey guys, starting a non-profit in 2025 can be complex, but LegalZoom simplifies the process step by step. From formation to tax-exempt status, here's how you can get your non-profit up and running smoothly. LegalZoom guides you in selecting the right non-profit structure, usually a 501c3 organization. This determines your tax-exempt status and eligibility for grants and donations. LegalZoom helps draft and file your articles of incorporation with your state. This document legally creates your nonprofit corporation and includes important details like your mission and registered agent. Your nonprofit needs bylaws that govern how it operates. LegalZoom provides customizable templates for bylaws and assists with initial board resolutions, laying a solid foundation for governance. LegalZoom can obtain your EIN from the IRS, which you will need to open bank accounts, hire staff, and file taxes. This service is usually bundled with formation packages. LegalZoom prepares and files IRS Form 1023 or the Streamlined Form 1023 Easy for smaller non-profits, helping you achieve 501c3 tax exemption. They guide you through the complex application, increasing your chances of approval. So, LegalZoom helps with state tax exemption, fundraising registrations, and other local compliance requirements. Keeping your non-profit compliant at every level protects your status and ability to operate. So LegalZoom in 2025 offers a comprehensive step-by-step approach to non-profit formation that reduces confusion and saves time. From incorporation to tax exemption, their services provide essential support so you can focus on your mission and impact. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.